Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another Dollar Tree haul with a few Target Dollar Spot bonus items. Lots of Christmas. Once again, I know we kind of dabbled in Christmas the last time, but we're really full force going into Christmas with this haul. I'm really excited about the things that I found. I know I said in my last video, but it has been kind of a slump lately, so I was really excited to find these things. I know my haul in last week's video was really good too, but I am probably equally as excited about this one. Apologies, our dishwasher is on. Nick started it and I feel too guilty to waste the water to like make it drain out and have to start it over later, so you're gonna hear my dishwasher in the background. Livens up the video, I guess. But let's get into my Dollar Tree stuff. So this first item I'm going to be very gentle with because this poor little fellow moments ago lost a few of his berries. But this is just like a little weighted, what is this called? Potted poinsettia. This is not a poinsettia, so I'm a little confused. But it's like this weighted burlap sprig, I don't know, but it has a little like cotton stem, and then in the back here there's a pine cone, and then it's got all the red berries, and then a sprig of something, I don't know what this is, and then it has the little, I don't know, tree branchy things. I don't know what these are called. But anyways, I thought this was really cute. I just got a new little shelving unit for our living room. So I really wanted to get some Christmas stuff that I thought would really, I don't know, fit and be small and still really festive. So this is something I'll probably leave up all winter long because it's not too Christmassy, it's just wintry. So for $1, really nice. I would definitely pick these up if you see them. Sorry, it was shedding some things. The next item that I got, I really was not planning on getting any more gift wrap, but this really caught my eye. So it has some glitter. It's like glittery plaid, I guess. It's showing up more metallic, but it's actual glitter. And it's just a nice gift box. I like using these because I'm really absolutely terrible at wrapping presents. It's really not good. That does not go well. So when I can find something like this that I really like and looks so nice, I'm gonna pick it up. So couldn't pass this guy up. They also had it in more of like a cylinder shape. So the next item is something that I will likely use year round. This is a wreath hanger. I used to use little command hooks, and if this doesn't work, I'll probably just use a command hook, but I haven't set that up in my front door yet. But I liked this one. It's gold. It'll go with anything year round. I have 2 wreaths that I cycle through. One that's like my summer, spring, basically any time but winter wreath, and then I have my winter wreath. So this will go really nicely as long as it is wide enough to fit on my front door. Not sure yet, we'll find out. Oh, this is a boring item. These are just some envelopes. Nick asked me to pick some up. We always pay our rent with these envelopes, or he uses them for clients. They're like the nice peel ones, so you don't have to lick the envelope. That's key. And then the next item I found was this galvanized picture frame. I thought that it was really cute and looks a lot more expensive than it actually is. So it has like this little clippy here. I don't know, it has a nice little fold out back too, so you don't actually have to hang it, but I thought that this was really cute, and again, it's gonna look really nice on my new shelving unit. So I don't know what picture I'm gonna put in it, but I'll find something. And then I have another little mini picture frame. So it's got the same sort of clip mechanism at the top, and then it also opens up in the back. You're not gonna be able to see it, but it will open up. So actually for this one, I'm planning to just flip around this little like test photo, or I don't know what you want to call that. I'm just gonna flip it around, and that's what's gonna hold our Wi-Fi password. So I think that this is small enough that I can kind of fit it anywhere in our house. And if someone comes over, I feel like that's one of the first things that people ask you if they're going to be here a while. So I wanted to pick up one of these. I've been looking for this probably for a year now and could never find it, so I was really excited to be able to pick this up. The next item I picked up were these candy cane spoons. So there are 6 individually wrapped candy cane spoons. And I thought, how cute would these be for your hot chocolate? I mean, I'm not a huge hot cocoa person, but I thought these would be adorable for that. And also, what a great gift basket idea. So you could throw in a really cute coffee mug, some really nice hot cocoa, and some of these, and that would just look so cute. So if you see them, I would pick them up because I have a feeling that these are gonna fly off the shelf. Another item that I was able to find is this Aromatherapy Relax Refreshing Mint Eucalyptus body lotion. And this is a lot like even the packaging looks a lot like the Bath and Body Relax line. And it actually smells very similar to it as well. So we're getting into those winter months where my skin just gets disgusting, so it never hurts to have a lotion, and for $1, it's a good deal, especially compared to Bath and Body. So if you can find this, pick it up. They had a lavender version too, like a sleepy time version, and they had bubble baths of this, body scrubs, all sorts of things. So if you see them, check them out. And then the last 2 items in here are placemats. Go figure. I'm not sure if I'm going to make pillows out of these placemats or if I'm actually just going to use them as placemats now that we have a kitchen table. But I thought either way these would be beautiful. This as a throw pillow would be pretty amazing. But also as placemats, I just think that they're really pretty and classy. Sometimes some of the Dollar Tree not pillowcases. I make them pillowcases, but sometimes I find that the Dollar Tree placemats can be a little tacky, I guess, but I think this one's really pretty and perfect obviously for the holiday season. So TBD if I use these as placemats or make them into a pillow. So that is everything that I got from the dollar store, Dollar Tree. But then I did pick up 2 items from my local Target. Ooh, I have more than 2 items. I'll start with the 2 that I have right now, and then I'll show you my last set of items that I picked up at the dollar spot. So this first sign, I saw it and I had to have it. I had a different one in my hands. It was like a Mrs. Claus cookies one. And I had to put it down because I thought that this one was way cuter. So this says sleigh rides, and then it has a bunch of times, break for lunch, and then the different sessions. And then at the bottom it says, and to all a good night. How cute is that? So I had to pick this one up. I don't think, if you see it, pick it up because I don't think that these are going to last in the stores very long. And then I was really excited to see these. I saw this with my mom. I didn't buy it when I was with her, and then when I saw it again and was thinking about my stupid shelving unit, somehow that has created a monster in me because I'm like, oh, this will look so good on my shelving unit. But this really does look so good on my shelving unit. So it's an interesting concept. It's this sign, that it's like a standing sign, but it has interchangeable images. So this front side says better not pout, like a really classic font. And then the back side says have yourself a merry little Christmas. And then let me just open this up and then I'll show you the rest. So this was $5, a little bit more expensive than what their signs usually retail for, but I think the versatility of it is what really allowed for them to get away with that price. The other sleigh ride sign I got was $3. I think that's honestly a little steep for the quality, like the true quality of it. They used to definitely sell those signs for $1. I had to have it though, so they got me there. But let's go through these. My mom just called me. Hi Mom, you're probably watching this. So these are pretty neat. So these are just like a thicker like cardstock. So the side 1 of this says better not pout. And then side 2 of this says believe in the magic of Christmas. And they had another version of this as well with a black frame, but I liked this frame better and I liked the images better. This one says snowflakes that stay on my nose and eyelashes. That one's gonna be really tough to pick up. But it has a pretty good font. And then this one is just a bunch of the 12 Days of Christmas. I really like the font on that. And then this one is all of Santa's reindeer. Again, really classy fonts on these. I think that they did a really fantastic job. And then this one is probably going to be my favorite one. It says, old-fashioned Christmas tree farm, 5 miles, cut your own. How cute is that? And then this one, I really like this one as well. This says joy to the world on that buffalo plaid. And then you've already seen this one, have yourself a merry little Christmas. But how fun to be able to change this frame out. And if you're really crafty and have like something like a Cricut or something, you could make your own little cardstocks and toss them in here at any time of year. So I don't know, I think that this is a really good find. You could probably make it yourself, but I think overall, I don't know, I think it's a pretty good deal if you ask me. The last 2 items that I found at my dollar spot are these little bar signs. So they have 2 that are in this like white color. They have the elegant sidecar. So to give you some context as to how I'm going to use these, we have a coffee and wine bar. It's in our kitchen. There's kind of like a little space that I didn't really know how to use. It's kind of like a little bar area with the cabinets underneath it. So that's what we use it for, is our coffee and wine and liquor little bar. So I thought that these signs would be so cute to hang above it, because right now it's an open space and I haven't known what to do with that space. So I have 5 of these round signs that I'm going to place next to one another. So the white one, this one says the elegant sidecar served with a twist. And then the other white one, let me look here. Oh, the other white one is the old-fashioned, and my Wisconsin self obviously loves this one probably the most. So the delicious old-fashioned served over ice. And then they had just like natural wood ones. So the Magnificent Bloody Mary, again, it says serve with snacks. Again, for my Wisconsin self, this was another one that I really probably enjoyed most. And then the other natural wood one is the classic Moscow Mule served chilled. And so the recipe is obviously on the inside of all of these. And then the thing that ties in my idea, ties the whole coffee bar and this, that whole area together, is this sign, which is like a nice leather. It almost feels like a football. It says coffee till cocktails served daily. How cute. So this one I'll put in the middle. It has that coffee reference, and then we have all the cute other bar signs. And I think all lined up in a row, it's gonna look fantastic. So I was so excited to see these. I was contemplating buying like a $60 sign from Bed Bath & Beyond. That would have looked really nice over it, but this was 15 bucks. So it doesn't really get much better than that. The only thing that's going to be a challenge is hanging them up so that they're all even, and hoping that their leather ties are all even. So I'm not gonna worry about that right now. We'll get to that another time. But anyways, that covers everything that I have purchased in the past week or so. Not a ton of stuff, but I think it's all really good stuff, minus the envelopes. The envelopes are boring. But everything else I was really, really excited to pick up, and I hope you are equally excited about this stuff, and I hope that you can find the items that you want in this haul at your Dollar Tree. Let me know in the comments below, what are you finding at your dollar store? I know that there's some really cool stuff out there right now, and I know that my store doesn't have all of it, so let me know your top finds at your dollar stores near you. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully another video next week, and I will see you soon. Bye.